What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be installing something that I've had in my closet for over a year now. I mean, personally, I think that the car already sounds good the way it is. That's why I haven't gotten around to installing it yet. Is that a comment, Don? Alright, gonna go ahead and get everything inside the car and head over to the homie's house. Meet you guys there. Alright, if you guys watched the coilover install video, you know exactly where we at.
You already know. Big bro's house.
So we're about to jack this thing up. Hopefully this thing goes well because the bolts on here are like kind of rusted. Alright, let's go. Car's all jacked up. Oh, never mind. It was tucking really bad right here. The fender was like all the way right here, but I'm about to get started on this. We already sprayed down the bolts with some PB blaster. Also, we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit because it's super hot right now. So we're having a hard time getting the top bolts out. The bottom was already out, but the top one, they're hard to get out. So he's about to use that thing to cut up the bolt and hopefully he gets it up.
Good old Milwaukee.
Right.
That bolt, bro.
What happened?
It's low-key welding that into it though, bro.
For real?
Kinda. Show you. Nah, like it's cutting the bolt. But like, it's kind of like welding it to it on.
Oh.
But like, hopefully we can pry it off, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, old one is out and I'm gonna try to get the O2 sensor off. I heard these are super hard to get off, so this is open header. That sounds crazy. Alright, so after attempting to take off the O2 sensor for this, it's definitely not coming off, so we ended up stripping it a little bit. So we just went ahead and went to AutoZone to pick up a new one, and I'm going to install this one to the new one.
Alright, today dog gonna be starting a Tome. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but I'm gonna try to show you on the camera. It's like right here. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, man. That's how they be acting though. Like we can understand that. That boy hot, boy.
I was wondering, I was like, dude, why is it not going on? Goodbye. I'm gonna hit the camera. She gone, baby. So test pipe is officially on there. We're about to take everything down, jack down the car, and then start it up. Alright, so I'm about to let him drive the car so we get some outside clips.
We got the mechanic shirt on.
Sheesh. It sounds so good. Alright guys, I just got home. I'm super exhausted, but I want to take this time to give you guys a quick update on the channel and what's been going on. I've noticed that we've been getting a couple subscribers over the past couple days, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And we're super close to 100 subscribers, so I would appreciate if you guys do go down below, hit that button for me please. Before I end today's video, let you guys go, I want to give you guys a little sneak peek on what I'm going to be installing next on the car. Order something from my man Teach. But yes, I am super excited to install this. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like it as much as I am. But yeah, with that said, if you guys enjoyed today's video at all, make sure you guys give it a fat thumbs up. Catch you guys later.